Hello and welcome to all the viewers watching my video. My name is Lucky and I'm going to tell you the three values that every businessman follows in his daily life. So, have you ever wondered why are there servants at a businessman's home? Have you ever wondered why are businessmen good at making money? Or have you ever wondered why is a businessman a businessman? If not, so stay tuned. Do you know why businessmen are having servants at their home? I'll tell you. Well, we all have been taught from our childhood that businessmen are having money. So that's why they keep servants to show off. But my friend, that's not the truth. They keep servants because they don't have time. If you are a businessman, then you would know that how much time is precious to a businessman. They do not invest their time in passive jobs. They invest it in their active jobs, assets, and businesses. Why they keep driver to drive a car? This is because they don't have time for even driving. They focus only on productivity tasks. So now I guess that you know that why are they having servants? My friend, it is because they don't have time. So in simple words, the first value of a businessman is always respect your time, because time can be squeezed, time can be fast forward, but it cannot run back. Anyone in his or her life understands it will be good at making money. And this is my guarantee, because time is something that you should respect. Time pays. Like hard work pays. If you respect time, time will respect to you. Now the second thing, how are they good at making money? Okay, so now listen this very carefully. Anyone has not become millionaire or billionaire overnight. He or she has done hard work day and night, faced many hardships, and then they have established their business empire. Since very young age, they have started to invest and have started to make money. They have made passive source of income and also have converted their liability into asset and have gained the wisdom over time. Now, one thing to note here is that there is a huge difference between knowledge and wisdom. So, the second value you learn from this businessman is focus on investments. So, this was the second value. But do you know, a common man focus in divestment. Now, I'll tell you how a common man thinks this and why I'm saying this. You see, you might have heard many times that a common man says, it is money, it will come back if you won't use it. What's the use of it? But my friend, the truth is a bit bitter. And actually, it is a lot times bitter. Because we says this, but money never comes back. You will work hard, but money won't come. You are working for money, money isn't working for you. So this is not. Now, if I'll tell you, a common man thinks of doing show off. He will buy expensive phone, watch, laptop, clothes, even though they don't have money. I am not saying that it is bad, but everything is good until its limit. And now I'll tell you how a businessman focus on investing. Have you ever seen any businessman buying any useless thing? A businessman will never buy any expensive phone, laptop, watch, or clothes until it is useful to him or her. He would buy only productivity things. Now, the last but not the least value, always have risk appetite, and self confidence. Any businessman need to have this. They should have risk appetite, and they should have self confidence that yes, you can do it. Yes, I can do it. If they can do, why can't you do it? They should have this attitude inside them. So that's all for today. And yes, if you have came so far, so subscribe to the channel, like this video and share it with your friends, especially if they're in business, so they know that what are the three values of business. Thanks.